Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my very first English video. Like I've never made like this, but okay, I will try. And why I started to make this English video, because like the first reason is because my husband, and we always talk in English in every day like 24 hours, but I never record myself talk in English. So can you understand how it will be like awkward for me? And the second reason why I make this video in English is because since I got a lot of requests from my followers to make video full in English, yeah, I will try. So back to topic. If you guys know, I already make the ebook for the interview preparing question, and I make by myself like 15 questions, but this is all in Indonesia, like bahasa Indonesia. So that's why maybe for all of you like native speaker, maybe will be like confusing because this will be in bahasa Indonesia. But I will make these questions all in English. But one thing you have to remember, if the interviewer asking you in bahasa or your language, whatever is it, you have to answer with your own language. But if the interviewer asking you in English interview, like of course you have to talk in English, right? So first I will start with the first question. This is very basic in interview of all of the working type, like flight attendant or another like customer service in the bank. I've been there before also. So the question is, please introduce yourself in English, and maybe it's only like 3 minutes or 5 minutes is already maximum for them. But I confused, like, did you really need the answer, how to answer this question? But my tips for you is, first you have to put what's your education, what's your achievement, and what's your favorite hobby. So it can be mixed together, but you have to remember like all of the answer must be similar with flight attendant job, because you have to remember like being a flight attendant is not only talking about the look. So you have to give like hospitality for the customer is very important. So if you have experience before to become like hospitality industry, you can join with that in this session. Next, number 2 question. What is your motivations to become a flight attendant, and why you really want to become a flight attendant? So I will never give you for the example about how to answer these questions, because you have to figure it out. But one thing you have to avoid from all of the answer is never talk about you love traveling, you like traveling. It's like nonsense, because we are looking for the job, we are not looking for the travel. You understand me? Said you love traveling, that's the... So instead you answer like I love traveling, maybe you can try like I love to meeting new people, I love to working with the different culture, because being a flight attendant for traveling is like a bonus. Even you can answer like this is for your family reason, like you need to find the job who give you like big opportunity to give you like more money, as simple like that. Okay, third question is like, what is your weakness? Even for me it's very hard to answer like what is my weakness, because I know my weakness but I cannot talk to you like I lazy. So the tips is you have to find what is your weakness, but you still try to correct, like make it better. So maybe for example like you cannot talk English fluently, but you also try to find the solutions how to make your English like better. And after that, maybe the questions is all about the company. So did you already study about your company you want to apply before? This is very important. Maybe they will asking you like what is the new route, what is the new promotions from the company, or maybe even like what's you know about this company. But I think it's not really hard, because before you apply this company, of course you already understand about the culture of the company, about the how it working at the first time, and who is the first, even the first employee, I mean like who is the CEO, like the history about the company you have to understand. Because I think it will be a little bit same like if you find the new boyfriend, you must be background check with them, right? And sometimes for the next questions must be like the case, you have to solve the problem like that. So for the example, like if we only have one oxygen mask, but there is like elderly or the baby or pregnant mother or people who sick, so who will you give the first time? For these questions you have to answer like the not correct, because I think it's only talk about opinion, you understand? So you have to tell like what is your thinking, what is inside your mind, but one thing you have to remember, like your attitude. So you cannot force your thinking to them because they also have their own thinking. So that's why you have to find how to good answer, even like you also don't know which one is true, but just give your idea with the easy way, because respect each other is the most important in flight attendant interview. Maybe sometimes also you will get questions like out of nowhere. For example, like why you have to apply for the flight attendant job, why you not apply for the another division, why you not apply for the another job which is give you maybe like more money or high positions. Or maybe they also will asking you to make role play. They will give you case, like for the example, the airplane is delay and then the passengers is angry with you and their air conditions is not good. So what will you answer, like how you talk with them, how to dealing with them? That's all. I think it's enough for the questions example in English, because all of I said before also I did, like they asking me about this, and not only me but also with my friends. So before I make this ebook, I also research with my friends what they did before. So if I become like you, I will try to check out my ebook and then I try to make the correct answer in another paper, and then I will try to practice every day, talk like this in all language, like your own language and English language. So that's all, and good luck for your interview. See you on board. Bye bye.